We're going to be reading through the section on Ayin Bet Amud Aleph and Ayin Bet Amud Bet. Before we do that, we're going to see the Mechilta de Rabbi Ishmael on worksheet 4.1, kind of just understanding the psukim, focusing on this phrase Im Zarcha Hashem Shalav. So we know that there's Ein Lo Damim sometimes, and Im Zarcha Hashem Shalav Damim Lo. Rabbi Yishmael Omer, V'chi Hashem Shalav Bilvad Zarcha. Does the sun, says the sun shines on him. Does the sun only shine on him? V'halo el kol ha'olam kulo zarcha. The sun shines on everyone. That's a pretty strange way to say it. So, meaning that he thinks it's not going to be taken literally. Ella, rather, Ma Shem Shalom Ba'olam. Just how the sun represents peace in the world. Afzeh, in this case, Im Yodeyahu Shebeshalom Imo. If you know that he is coming in peacefully towards you, meaning he's trying to steal from you, but he's coming in peace. V'hargo, and you kill him, harei zachayav, you'd be obligated, meaning you're only allowed to kill if you don't know that he's peaceful. Seeing the sun as metaphor for peace. Midrash responds, Atah omer lekachbar, Rabbi Yishmael, you think it's telling you the sun is like a metaphor for peace? Oh, eino ba, maybe it's only coming, ela lechalek bin yom l'layla, maybe it's coming to tell you to distinguish between day and night. Maybe at nighttime you can kill the thief, at daytime you can't. Lomar, im hargo b'yom chayav, if you kill during the day, you're obligated for murder. Uvalayla yepatur, but you're exempt from killing if it is nighttime. So Rabbi Yishmael responds, Talmud Lomar, the pasuk teaches, La na'ara lo taseh davar, hearkening back to the Rodef scenario. This is talking about to the young woman, don't do anything. If a married woman is raped, we don't punish her, but we know the rules of Rodef. Ma'ala halan lo chalak bein yom l'layla. In that case, there's no difference between day and night when it comes to Rodef. Afkan lo tachlok bein yom l'layla. So here also, in the case of Rodef, don't distinguish between day and night. So that's the Midrash's metaphorical understanding of Im Zarcha Hashem Shalav. And now we jump to the Mishnah and Gemara. Okay, Mishnah Habab Machteret Nidon Al Shem Sofo. That the one who tunnels in. Sorry for the confusion. I'm just going to read and pause, not translate, but I'll translate and read the Rashi as we go. Habab Machteret Nidon Al Shem Sofo. The Mishnah continues. Im Hayabab Machteret V'Shiberet Hachavit. Im yesh lo damim chayav, if it's a non-killable thief, he's chayav. Im ein lo damim patur. We saw Rashi up here at Nidon al Shem Sofo when the Mishnah had said that the Bab Machteret is judged based on his future. Just 4 words here: Daha lo katal. The intruder has not killed umaktil, but nonetheless we kill him. So Rashi's pointing out that this is when we kill the Bab Machteret, it is not based on what he's done. He hasn't killed anyone yet, but it's based on what we think he's going to do. So Rava then asks a pretty fundamental question. Amar Rava, my tama de machteret. Step 1 of the answer, chazaka ein adam amir atzmo amamuno. We have this assumption, which we'll translate because we need for Rashi, that people don't stand by when it comes to their money. Rashi explains, shuro esha acher notlo. You see someone else taking your stuff, vishotek, and you're quiet. No one does that. Hilkach, therefore, Yodea Haganav Hazeh, the thief knows, Shabal Habayit Omid Al Mamono Lahatzilo. The homeowner is going to stand by his property in order to save it. Umeimar Amar Haganav, so the thief will likely say, I Azlina Legabe, if I enter towards him, Kai Bapai, he's going to get in my face. He's going to confront me to protect his stuff. Kai La'apai, Vikai Ketil, and if he gets up, I'll kill him. So that's Rashi's understanding of our Chazakah. So the thief says, "V'chai meimar amar I azlina kai lapai v'lo shavikli," and so therefore v'ikai lapai katil nalei. If he gets in my face, I'll kill him. V'hatorah amraim ba'al hargachash kim hargo. And the Torah is telling us, someone's coming to kill you, you can kill him first. Let's jump now to the Ran's understanding of the Chazakah. Rashi seemed to say that every thief is coming with the plan to kill if necessary. The Ran says, "Vadai she'in kol haganavim ba'in al zkei nefashot." Surely not all thieves come with the intent to kill. V'kai habal habayit lapei, and if the Baal habayit kai lapei, same phrase, gets in his face, confronts him, v'shakil mamonei miyad ganav, and he takes back his property, lo katilei, you wouldn't kill him. Surely some thieves are not coming with a plan to kill. Di lo yachol ganav lemignav, and if this type of thief, if he's not able to steal, leizal anashay, he would go away on his own. He would run away. So the Ran seems to say, like, not every thief is coming with a plan to kill in order to steal. So how does the Ran understand the Gemara then? Ella Baal Habayit Hu Haomed Kenegdo Almanat Laharog. It's the homeowner who's coming to the confrontation with plans to kill. Im lo yaniach lo et hakelim miyad. If the thief does not yaniach, to put down the kelim right away. So it's not that the thief is coming to kill in order to take the stuff. The homeowner is coming to kill in order to protect his stuff. Sha'afal pi she'eno bedin lahargo akach. Even though it is not legal to kill the intruder, because of that you can't kill someone to protect your stuff, even though it's not like a legal impulse, Chazaka she'ein adam ma'amid atzmo al mamono. We assume that, like, what this means, people stand by their stuff. People will kill to defend their property. V'haganav shehu yodea zeh. The thief knows this. The thief knows that the homeowner might kill to protect their stuff. Shehu omeid kinegdo. When the homeowner confronts him, alis kenav hashod hu omeid. It's the homeowner who's coming with the plan to kill. So really, the thief is ready to kill only because the homeowner is ready to kill. But v'hu shehitchil b'meriva, the one who started this whole fight, ubab machteret, by coming through the tunnel, asa'o hakatuv rodef. The Torah considers him the rodef, va'amar she'ein lo damim, and says that he has no blood, meaning you're able to kill him, even though the homeowner is the one who's kind of coming with the plans to kill first. The thief is the one who we consider at fault, because they kind of started this whole situation. Okay, next little section here, starting with the Gemara at the bottom, our two brightot. Tanu Rabbanan, ein lo damim im zarcha hashemesh alav. Question, v'chi hashemesh alav bilvad zarcha? We respond, Ela im barur lecha hadavar kashemesh she'ein lo shalom imach. That clear thing, barur lecha kashemesh, it's as clear as day. First part saying if it's clear as day, that ein lo shalom, that he's not peaceful, hargehu, v'im lav, al targehu, but if not, don't kill him. Tanya idach, additional right there, im zarcha shemesh alav, damim lo. If the sun shines on him, you are not allowed to kill him. The same question, Ela, we respond, if it's clear that he is peaceful, al tahargehu, don't kill him, v'im lav, hargehu. But if you're not sure, you are able to kill him. Kasha stama astama. The Gemara looks at these two brightot and says there's a contradiction when it's undefined, when there's doubt, when I'm not sure if I'm in danger or not. So the Gemara responds, lo kasha. No issue here. Kan ba'av ala ben. First brightot is talking about the father on the son. Kan ba'ben ala av. Second brightot talking about the son against the father. Rashi explains, Av haba al haben b'machteret. If the father is the one who comes against his son in the tunnel, meaning the father is the intruder, misafek, in a case of doubt, al yahargehu b'no. The son should not kill the father if the son is not sure about the danger. Divadai rachmei al b'no. Surely we say the father has rachamim, has mercy on his son. Va'afiluhu matzil mamono. And even if the son tries to protect his property, lo yahargehu. The father is not the intruding father is not going to kill the homeowner's son. Hilkach, therefore, damimlo, not allowed to kill ad she'odei lecha kashemesh, until you're positive, until you're sure as the son, shehu achzari alecha, that he's cruel v'sonecha, and he's going to hurt you, and he hates you. So if the father is the intruder, or as we said soon, anyone you love and know that wouldn't hurt you, you assume they're not here to hurt me, so I'm not in danger. But if it's ben al ha'av, it's the son, which we said is probably just parallel language, but really, kol shekein inish da'alma, obviously, even more so, anyone else, if a stranger is in your house, hargehu misafek. We follow the second braita and say you can kill in a case of doubt. Devadai adata dahachiata. Surely, with this knowledge he came, with this plan, di kayamta leila ape, if you get in his face, katilacha, he's going to kill you. So you're allowed to kill in a case of safek, ad she'odei lecha kashemesh, unless you're sure, shehu rachmani alecha, that he's merciful against you, ka'aval haben, the same way a father would be to his son. So if it's a stranger, until they show with absolute clarity that they are peaceful, you are allowed to kill them, until they start, put their hands up, step away. But otherwise, a stranger, you are allowed to kill. So there's no contradiction between the two brightot. First braita is referring to a thief who gets the benefit of the doubt because they wouldn't hurt you. Second braita, the thief who doesn't get the benefit of the doubt because they are a stranger. And Rav gives an example. Amar Rav, kol da'ati alai b'machtarta, anyone who came against me in a tunnel, katil nalei, I would kill them. Levar mi Rav Chanina bar Shila, except for Rav Chanina bar Shila, except for his friend Rav Chanina. My Tama, what's the reason that Rav would spare him? Ilema mishum tzadiku. Maybe you'd say, Rav Chanina is such a tzaddik that Rav wouldn't kill him. But in this hypothetical, ha-ka'ati b'machtarta, he's coming in through a tunnel, so it can't be that it's his righteousness that's saving him. A righteous person wouldn't intrude. Ela mishum dekim le begave. Rather, it's because he treats me, I am like to him, demerachim alai, he treats me with mercy, kirachim av al haben, like a father treats a son with mercy. So I know that Rav Chanina loves me. He would never hurt me, so I would not feel like I'm in danger, and therefore I would not kill him. End of the little chunk about doubt and when do we apply these categories of damim lo. Okay, the last little chunk we're going to get to here, we're going to skip this brown section because we didn't get a chance to define it in class because of the fire drill. Tanu Rabbanan, Braita teaches, damim lo bein b'chol bein b'shabbat, that the category of damim lo, the category of a non-killable thief, it applies on a weekday and on Shabbat. Ein lo damim bein b'chol bein b'shabbat, and same thing on the flip side. Bishlama, ein lo damim bein b'chol bein b'shabbat itzrich. Our first here, like I understand that this phrase, ein lo damim bein b'shabbat itzrich, is necessary. Sakadata Chamina, I might have thought, Midei Dahava, since Aharuge Beitin, when it comes to people killed by Beitin, the Bishabat lo Katlinan, on Shabbat we don't kill them, Beitin doesn't execute people on Shabbat, Kamash Malan de Katlinan. So I need this maroon phrase over here, it comes to teach me that I am allowed to kill the intruder. apologize for that loud chunk. Ella damim lo bein b'chol bein b'Shabbat. Rather, but this first phrase that a non-killable thief is not killable on both a weekday and on Shabbat. Hashta b'chol lo katlin lamlei. Now that on a weekday I can't kill him, b'Shabbat mi baya, I really need you to tell me that I can't kill him on Shabbat, meaning that this first statement, this blue statement here, completely unnecessary. It's super obvious. Why would I think that Shabbat would change anything when it comes to a non-killable thief? If he's non-killable, he is non-killable. And we'll have to come back and understand Rav Sheshet's response another time. Good luck, everyone.